Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable HDR video playback in Windows 12. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to enable HDR video playback in Windows, you need to simply go to settings. Once you go to settings, you need to simply go to system display and select your HDR-capable display. Now you need to simply turn the toggle to the right hand side to on it and use HDR or stream video HDR. After this, for video specific HDR, you need to simply click on Windows HD color settings and then turn on the stream HDR video for your chosen display. Remember that a compatible HDR monitor and graphic cards are required for this HDR to function. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.